Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese cotton sponge cake. It bounces like a sponge when you press it, and when you tear it apart, it looks like cotton. And I also will make a loaf of cake whereby the outside is a cake and the core is bread. Let's take a look how to make it. To make the cake, first we have to prepare the cake batter. And then we make the meringue separately and then combine and fold the meringue into the cake batter later. So here we have the butter, we have 6 egg yolks, milk and the cake flour. Melt the butter over very low heat, above a water bath or in the microwave. Then combine with the flour. Add the milk slowly, bit by bit. Beat the eggs. Add to the flour mixture by batches. Mix it until it becomes a very smooth batter. At this point, you can add some vanilla extract. But since I only have some not so good vanilla, artificial vanilla essence, I decided to omit it this time. In a separate bowl, prepare the meringue. So these are the egg whites. In a bowl, make sure it is free from oil. And here, make sure it is free from oil too. And start beating the egg white using low speed. Add in the sugar slowly. Can be just a little bit more time. Okay, now it is quite good. So once it forms a stiff peak like this, stop beating. Meanwhile, prepare a baking pan lined with parchment paper, and I also cover it with aluminum foil just to make sure that there won't be any water seeping into my pan during baking with the water bath. Apply some melted butter on it. Take about a quarter of the meringue and put it into the batter. Combine. Pour the batter back to the meringue. Combine the meringue and the batter by folding the meringue into the batter slowly. Pour the egg batter into the cake pan. Tap the cake pans a few times to break the bubbles. Use a bamboo skewer to further breaking down the small bubbles and to smoothen it. Put the cake in a hot water bath. Bake it at 150 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Remove the paper and overturn it onto a cake board. Let it rest for 15 minutes before cutting. I also pour the cake batter to a loaf of Japanese meal bread to make a cake bread combination and slice it. This is how I make the Japanese sponge cake with cottony texture. You can get the recipe by following the link in the description right below the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.